Welcome to the best resource online for learning about Go, the popular programming language created by Google. My name is Stephen Greuter, and I'm a web engineer with 12 years of programming experience. I authored this course to share the knowledge I've gained in that time with you. The number one goal of this course is to make sure that you are not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We are going to explore every bit of syntax, step by step, to make sure that you understand exactly what we're building. I built this course to make sure that you don't have to spend any more time on confusing, out-of-date, or incomplete tutorials again. Go is one of the most popular new languages to come out in years. As a general-purpose programming language, it's important to have a solid knowledge of the fundamentals, which is exactly what we're going to focus on in this course. Not only will we cover basic syntax and control structures, but we'll also discuss advanced features of the language, like interfaces, Go routines, and channels. Of course, learning a new programming language can be tough, so this course includes dozens of quiz questions to make sure that you're getting a solid grasp of every new topic. I place extra emphasis on building projects in a scalable, production-ready way. No shortcuts at all, we only do things the right way. Every topic includes discussions about why and where we would use each of these examples. The entire course is hosted on udemy.com with easy-to-follow videos and an entire Git repository with all of the course's code. Sign up today and be the cutting-edge engineer who gets to teach others the latest in web technology. Sign up today and build the Go applications you've always dreamed about.